How to install an Excel add-in. First, we need to locate the file. Mine's over here in my downloads folder. And I'm going to go ahead and right click and then go down to properties. Depending on your security settings, you might have this here, security. You would want to select unblock and apply. And there we go. If you did it right, that will disappear for you. So next, it's going to mostly be in Excel now. Let's go to full screen. I need to click File, Options, and we need to add a trusted location. So Trust Center and Trust Center. So keep in mind, you could also move your file to one of these folders here that are listed that are already trusted, or you could add a new location like I'm about to do. Either works. I find it more straightforward to add a new location. You would want your file, though, to be in the location you're going to keep it. So most likely, I wouldn't keep my file in my downloads folder. I'd move it over to documents. But for this example, I'm just going to select the folder it's in now, and I'll pretend like it's there forever. Downloads. Okay. And I'm not going to explain it. I am going to do all subfolders. That means if there's a folder in downloads, it will also let that stuff run. Okay. And the way you know you did it right is it's added here. Okay, with that all set to go, I'm going to put an X out of that, and I'm going to now move over to Customize Ribbon. What I need to enable in this is Developer. So Customize Ribbon, Developer, and hit OK. And there we are. Here's Developer now. And I can go ahead and do Excel Add-in. And this is what's already pre-installed. I want to obviously add a new one. So I'm going to click on Browse. And let's go find mine, which I had in my downloads folder. Okay. And add an example. Okay. And then to make it easier, I always like to right click here, Customize Ribbon again. And I'm going to create a new group. And I'm just going to call my group Add-in. Ooh, and I can pick a symbol, green, sure. Okay. And then I'm going to go over here to macros. And that add-in has this macro, V10. So I'm going to hit add. That's the one I just added. It has a little bit different name than the file. Click OK. And now I can add, now I can run the add-in right here. Easy peasy. Ta-da!